piece to our organic overview is our Interactive KPI Map. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is make our page longer because we've run out of space. Click anywhere outside of your graphs. In the right-hand navigation, theme and layout, select layout. Middle of the page, canvas size, adjust your height to 1900. That should give us plenty of space to add our interactive map. In our top navigation, select Add a Chart. There are 3 maps to choose from. The Bubble Map by Google Maps is pretty cool, but I do like the Geochart best. And then you'll just adjust positioning to fit within your report. Data source is going to be from your analytics data source. Dimensions, we're going to click or slide the toggle that says drill down and move from country to region to city. Our default drill down level is going to be the one that shows first on our view. So we want to start out at our furthest point, country. Metrics, if this is breaking, if it's saying invalid configuration, it's most likely your metric. We want to use new users or users. Slide our optional metrics toggle and add a secondary metric for goal completions. Goal completions is going to be every goal conversion that you have set up in analytics, like a total of those. Zoom area will be world. Default date range will be auto, so that it automatically updates as we interact with our date range. And let's take a look and make sure that's doing what we expect it to. So we can select our optional metrics here to view new users or goal completions. We can select the country and drill down from country to region. Select a region and drill down from region to city. Now we can see our new users or our goal completions. One more stylistic piece I'm going to show you. Select your GeoMap, style. Instead of show on hover, we're going to do always show. That way you don't have to fight it and it's always going to be there. And that is our SEO Dashboard's organic overview page.